when the world is raging and the storm carries on, I'll always have you to keep us sheltered and calm. My girl Jane Austen said it best. I cannot fix on the hour, or the spot, or the look or the words that laid the foundation. It is too long ago. I was in the middle before I had begun. Whenever I'm lost, your love propels me forward. From moving in together, to adopting Bodhi, to walking away, to following my heart, to welcoming Noah into the world, and now finally becoming your wife. I will always trust that I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be as long as you're by my side. Everything we've done in our relationship has always been backwards and has always worked out. Ron, I promise to trust you with all my heart. I promise to always recognize you as home. I promise to still call you Bob when we're old and gray.
We met one afternoon on a friend's boat on Lake Whitehall in Hopkinton, and the rest is history. We have spent almost every day together since that day, sharing so many great memories. From our late-night Harley rides, to watching the stars and moon in my truck bed, to sharing a pint of Guinness everywhere we go, to no more tacos, only tequila in Mexico. I have fallen in love with you more and more each day. From being the greatest mother to our little girl, your contagious smile, your heart of gold, your killer party planning skills, your drive to try anything new, your love to travel and see the world, your willingness to put me and your loved ones first, especially when it's 1 a.m., I'm ready for bed, and you and Liz decide to pour another martini and crank Bonnie Raitt. Because I secretly love watching you dance around. With that being said, I wouldn't want anyone but my Caitlin up here next to me today. I promise to always push you to greatness, catch you when you fall, and be there to pick you up to take on this crazy world called life. I promise to be the best husband, father, and most importantly, your best friend for the rest of our lives. To the girl that still gives me butterflies when we walk into a room as she did when we were 16, I can't wait to climb out.